Worldwide, we specialize in selling and repairing FANUC CNC parts. We offer phone support at no additional cost. We also offer a convenient online store with a large inventory of FANUC parts. We are one of the few companies specializing in FANUC parts who have FANUC simulators on site to fully test and diagnose any operational issues. This means less downtime for our customers. Our controls are set within cabinets to better simulate your machine and detect any heat-related problems. We have a large inventory of new and reconditioned FANUC power supplies, servo amplifiers, spindle amplifiers, PCBs, and motors. Each of our drives come with a 1-year warranty. We have knowledgeable repair technicians who not only repair the specific problem, but replace components that show wear and could be a potential issue in the future, such as capacitors, resistors, and external and internal fans. Once the part has been repaired, it is run a second time on one of our simulators, and each repair comes with a 1-year warranty. We have a large supply of spindle motors to accurately match your spindle amp to the appropriate motor. With over 35 years of FANUC experience, we are committed to providing our customers with the best service in the industry. We hold ourselves to the highest service standards and do whatever it takes to earn our customers complete satisfaction.